So Google has recently been rolling out this feature called Quick Read. You might have seen it in some of your search results. It's this little text that says less than 5-minute read or quick read, which basically tags pages in a way that tells its users before they click how long the read will be. So basically how long will it take for the user to get a response to his question. Because when someone searches for something on Google, if it's a question, they want to get the question fast and easy. So that's more or less what I wanted to record this short video about, because people often ask, how many words should your content be? That's not actually the right question you should be asking yourself. Maybe in some cases, if you're doing some black hat stuff, or maybe even gray hat, it doesn't really matter. But the real question would be, how many words do I need to give the user what he wants to know? And I know this is the answer that every white hat SEO tells you and everyone tells you. Even Google, of course, has been telling you this for years. But people often don't like to listen to this. People often like to either write as many words as the competitor above them has, or write more words than their competitors because they think word count is a ranking factor. And of course, to some extent it is, right? Because of course, if you have a long form piece of content, you're able to include more keywords, talk about more subjects, make the article more relevant, make the page more relevant, thus ranking for more keywords. So it kind of is a ranking factor, but the truth is that Google doesn't really care about how long your content is. That's why they're testing this new quick reads feature, right? And to prove this, for example, when you write time in Brazil, right? You're not going to want to click this site or scroll down here. You're just going to see what Google gives you, right? If you want to convert dollar to euro or whatever other coin, you're just going to trust what's here, right? You're not going to go to xe.com, wait for the site to load, put in the amount, right? Doesn't make sense. If you want to convert weight units, right? You're gonna just do this, right? You're not gonna be clicking around. Same for the weather, right? You're not gonna be going to this site, waiting for them to load. So yeah, that's basically it, because Google, of course, wants to give its users the best user experience, and the best user experience is giving the information they want in the fastest and most convenient way they can, which is, for example, for the weather, something like this, right? Which is completely interactive, instead of them having to click on a site and scroll down and see what it is and have pop-ups appearing and ads and whatever, right? So it makes sense that they're implementing such features as the quick reads, right? So Google is prioritizing sites that give users the content they can and want quickly, right? And that can mean 100 words, 10,000 words. The amount of words doesn't really matter, right? As long as the user gets what he wants, right? If it takes you 100 words to explain what the weather is, okay, that's perfect. Write a 100-word article. If it takes you, for example, 10,000 words, 100,000 words to explain the concept behind how the planets revolve around the sun and gravity equations and all that, then so be it, right? It's not really about the word count, it's about how fast and conveniently can you provide users with the content they want and the answers they need, right? That's basically it. I mean, super short video, but I wanted to get it out because I think it's interesting, and this is quite recent. This was almost last month, so yeah. Hopefully you find this valuable, these more short, straight to the point videos. Let me know in the comments, and yeah, I guess before I go, I might as well promote Vetted. If you don't know, Vetted is a platform I own, which has been launched around 5-6 months ago, which is a place where you can completely outsource your SEO efforts to SEO professionals. You can also have calls with them if you have any questions about their services, if you need to, for example, or if you want them to build an SEO strategy for you. You have multiple SEO services right here. You also have this new managed SEO solution, which basically, instead of you being here scrolling through services, finding out which one's best for you, which ones should you grab, you just click on here on managed SEO solution, and we'll have someone manage all your SEO for you. All of them are professionals, fully vetted. There is a caveat though, the budget is $1,000 per month minimum, which makes sense because SEO, of course, is a long-term game that as well takes money before you can see results. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll stop promoting now, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.